Once a month, I use these Clorox wipes to wipe down my white cabinets. I don't know what you use when you have these white laminate cabinets, but it just seems to me after a while they will turn kind of like a dingy looking color, almost yellowish, if you don't take care of them. I haven't experienced that, of course, because I'm always wiping them down once a month. I just don't want it to happen that way, so that's why I do this. Because I'd hate to see that. By the way, I did do the cabinets in the bathroom. I just did not film it.
Yeah.
Don't mind my two Rottweilers on my feet. Eventually, I'm going to get another dog. I miss my little Yorkie so much. But now I'm finally getting to the point where I think I'll be able to deal with having another pet. This is not a deep cleaning. Since I'm wiping the cabinets, I might as well wipe off the washer and dryer. That sits in my kitchen. And after I'm done with doing this, I'm going to go in my office because I have the Ikea cabinets that's white, and I'm going to wipe them down as well.
Yeah.
Eventually I want to paint this office. I'm not sure. I'm going to stick to my light colors. And then again, I have this whole gallon of sage paint, the paint that I did my headboard wall with. And it just seemed like it's just going to waste. I might try to use it, then again, I might cut my losses on that, because I just can't see this room for sage, which means I'd have to get rid of my pink maybe and then change the curtains, and I don't want to do all that. So whatever color I decide to put in here, because this is a real light gray color, I'm just going to go ahead and paint it white.
Yeah.
The top of that Mickey file cabinet, I have to paint that. I started to put one little coat of black iron ore on it, and of course I have to go back and finish it off. And then on the back I actually have black chalk paint on this, so maybe I might use that. I'm not sure, but I know I need to paint that. I eventually got to fix the wires underneath that desk. It's a little messy right now. Excuse me, but I'm not worried about it. I'll fix it later. I decided I wanted to get some curtains that match the green. So I decided to go ahead and order these green curtains. I got them from Amazon. I also wanted to change the rods out to gold, but I decided, you know what, why am I spending all this extra money? Leave it alone. I have so many curtain panels because I'm always changing. I cannot seem to leave well enough alone. So for now, and even though I think the gold would look better, for now I'm just going to leave it as it is. Normally I look for all my curtains. I used to get them from Ikea, but they did not seem to have this particular one, or maybe they did, or it just cost too much. Anyway, I decided, you know, Amazon is always the go-to place, so I decided let me check Amazon, and they had the same width and the same length, so I just went ahead and ordered them, and they're a lot cheaper. I got them from Amazon. Putting this heavy thing back on is not that easy. I'm just trying to figure out what side is what. It's confusing. Now I have electric mattress pad already on the mattress. The mattress cover, electric mattress pad, then this heavy duty fluffy pad. I can have extra cush in the bed. This mattress pad is so comfortable, I'll leave a link to it. I believe I got it at Amazon, but I'll leave a link in the description. I find it a lot easier to make up my bed this way. I have the adjustable mattress, as you can see here, and then it makes it a lot easier for me to do this. Just lift up the front, and then after I get the top done, then I put that down, and I pull the bottom part up, and so on and so forth. I had to go and get my stool. This bending over in my back, it just was not getting along. It was being disrespectful. That little spatula, I bought that from Amazon. It's to tuck the sheets in and make it easier for you to tuck your sheets under the bed or inside your bed. I'll leave a link to that as well in the description area. if you watch, you saw I threw that spatula right where it is. Later on, once I make up the bed, I was looking for that thing. I couldn't figure out where did I put it. You'll see I made up the bed with it right there. Okay, this is my foolproof way of getting the pillowcase on the pillow real quick. My mom taught me that long time ago.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking the bottom of the pillowcase. I grip it with my hand, hold it, flip it over, and have that pinched. So now I'm going to just pinch in the pillow, and then I'm going to pull it right over the pillow. Whatever works for you, that's what works for me. It makes it a whole lot easier. That pillow sham I made years ago with my sewing machine when I first got it. I even did the embroidery feature and put some Velcro to close the ends. I think I did pretty good for an amateur. It's winter time, so I pull out this heavy duty mink blanket that a friend of mine brought back from Korea. And I do mean this thing is heavy and it keeps you nice and warm. I know the lighting back here is terrible. Like I said, the only light in this bedroom comes from those windows back there. It's actually 3 windows. One is covered up by that big armoire I have in the corner. So light only comes through the 2 windows. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. You take care. Bye.